x upon x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon x minus 4. We have to find the solution for x, and remember that x is not equal to 4. So keeping this in mind, we have to find solution for x. Now we have denominators both the sides, so let's first remove the denominator. Let's multiply both the sides by x minus 4. So in that case we have x minus 4 then times x upon x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon x minus 4 times x minus 4, or this is now x times x minus 4 upon x minus 4 plus x minus 4 times 1, that is x minus 4, is equal to, these two are like factors so we can cancel, so it is equal to 4. Here x minus 4 and x minus 4, these two are also like factor, so now we have x plus x minus 4 is equal to 4, or x plus x is 2x minus 4. Let's add 4 to both the sides, so this and this gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8. Now divide both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we are getting x is equal to 4, but in the question it is given x cannot be equal to 4. Therefore, this solution is not valid. There is no valid solution. What should be the solution according to you? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.